Hello friends, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Note 4, then I have 9 reasons to change your mind. Here Dr. BC and you are watching BCD Tech. Samsung is planning to launch Galaxy Note 4 in upcoming weeks in India. Now, if you are planning to buy Note 4, then I have 9 reasons to change your mind. Reason number 1. As compared to previous Galaxy Note 3 and S5, this time Galaxy Note 4 doesn't come with USB 3.0 support. Yes, this is not a USB 3.0 device. That means the data transfer speed is low as compared to S5 and Note 3. That is not a great news. Reason number 2. Although Note 4 has aluminum frame, still this phone has same look as of Note 3 and other Samsung phones. The button layout, the position of camera and the jack are more or less same, so there are nothing new in look. Reason number 3. The price. Expected price will be around 53 to 55,000 Indian rupees. Do you not think that is high? If you see OnePlus One and Mi4 with almost the same specification are at 18 to 25,000, then imagine what are the manufacturing cost of Note 4, hardly over 20 to 25,000. And Samsung is charging double of that. Moreover, as seen from our previous experience from S5 and Note 3 and other Samsung phones, the price will be dropped more than 15 to 20% within 1 or 2 weeks of the launch, which is very disgusting. If you are planning to buy, then wait for 2 or 3 weeks to see the stable price. Reason number 4. No updation to hardware. If you compare this phone with Note 3 and S5, then you will hardly find any difference in hardware. Only the frequency and the numbers are changed, else all are same. Reason number 5. Fast charging circuit. Company claims that the battery on this phone charged to 50% within 30 minutes of charging cycle. Believe me, this will lower the capacity of your cell phone battery and also the life. Study had shown that fast charging a lithium ion battery will hinder its performance by several levels, and there is always risk of explosion and fire. So this is not good. Reason number 6. No 4G device for India. As we learned from S5 launch, initially Note 4 will launch here in India with Exynos processor, which is cheap as compared to third-party processor from Qualcomm. This means that initially only 3G phone will sold in India. This may be due to delay in launch of 4G service by Airtel and Reliance in most part of the country. Moreover, if you compare the frequency number, Qualcomm Note 4 is fast. Reason number 7. No waterproof. As Sony and their own S5 are waterproof, this time Note 4 is not waterproof. So you cannot use this phone while surfing and at water park. Better to go with S5 or Sony smartphone. But I think that later in this year, Samsung will launch a waterproof variant of Note 4. Reason number 8. Not a single-handed phone. As we all know that the phone with 5+ inch screen will not be handled by single hand. Now the Note 4 is added to this category. You cannot handle the display or the touch with one hand. But at 5.6 inch screen, you can watch Ultra HD movie on this phone. And the final reason number 9. This is not a medical device. Samsung this time with heart rate sensor put blood oxygen saturation sensor and an ultraviolet sensor in Galaxy Note 4. But according to Samsung, these extra sensor can be disabled if needed in certain market, as several countries have high incident rate of skin cancer. So our country might be or may not be get this sensor working. That is bad news. Now if this is working, again there is a risk of medical emergency, so Samsung don't turn on the UV sensor on Note 4 for our country. So you can see that along with lots of advantages, Samsung Galaxy Note 4 has disadvantages also. There are lots of other reasons that I had forgot to mention here. If you know some of that, please mention in the comments of this video. That's all for today. If you like this video, give thumbs up, share and subscribe. The subscription link is shown on your screen, and don't forget to see our upcoming videos on unboxing and quick review of Samsung Galaxy Note 4. Stay tuned with us. See you later. Thank you. Bye bye.